I feel that I'm still at the very beginning in some ways. I'm a little bit more than 40 now, and I'm still as excited as I've always been. There's a great Miles Davis quote that comes to mind: "You have to know the rules before you can break them." You know, in the end of the day, cooking is very much a craft. What makes great chefs and great artists is their intention. When things are going really well and everything is the way you want it, it is really also the time you need to really question everything and really you need to think about change. I've heard people say like, "Oh, I'm not the creative type. That's not really my strength." And I think that is just an excuse. I think every person, every individual is extremely creative. In this environment, in our restaurant at 11 Madison Park, it is not an option to not be creative. I'm a searcher for beauty in art, in design, in architecture, of course in food, in fashion, really anywhere. Beauty today maybe means something different than it did 15 years ago. Today it's really about effortless beauty. I guess I just got lucky to have found a profession that gives me so much pleasure.